Alright, good morning. 1 minute till the market opens. Kind of just been selling off the past hour and a half here. Taking out the overnight lows right now. Push lower, could sweep the lows, could push away back up to the overnight highs. Who knows? For now, just going down. A little premature slap before market open. Still got 10 seconds left. Not a lot of news today either, so not sure how that's going to affect the market. Market is now open and we are pushing straight up into those EMAs. Kind of bouncing off of that overnight low. But we are kind of holding EMAs, making our way down. Could be a good short if we make a bear flag here. Pushing to the lows, going even lower as we speak. Still kind of holding, still making our way above those overnight lows. Still kind of looking like a sweep. Could be a good long actually if we flip this and take out these highs. Trying to push here, but also holding these EMAs very well. It is kind of making a bear flag here, but kind of hard not to be bullish looking at the 5-minute big wick there. Still in the green on the candle. 1 minute left till the 5-minute close. And We are pushing higher on the ES, so for that reason, probably gonna avoid taking a short here. But we did kind of break that low there at the 43s. It's holding well. It could still push through this. But again, hard to put a short on with the 5-minute candle looking like this. And then ES is kind of pushing the highs. The ES has already broken the high right here. So Nasdaq has to get all the way up here to kind of be caught up to where ES is. I feel like it's kind of only a matter of time before it pops up and catches up. There you go, breaking the 50, 59, 60 area. Yeah, imagine this is where we pop up. Yep, there it is. Kind of sweeping, holding still. Buyer's not giving much conviction there. Buyers are looking good on Delta. Yes, still holding up, but Nasdaq kind of making its way down. I can't imagine. Might even be a good sell. I don't know if I'm ready to take it, but kind of hard to imagine it doesn't go down from here after that failure to hold the highs. Now it's making its way back up, so kind of just chopping around, really. I mean, what did look good to go long and then to go short is now just looking good to do nothing. Because it's not doing anything. It's not going anywhere. Could be pushing here though. Could be finally getting that push up. See how it holds. Yes, still pushing up, making progress slowly. Well, the Nasdaq is once again failing to break past that 65 level. Right back down to the EMAs. Virtually going nowhere. If we're gonna have another day like yesterday, that's gonna be pretty rough. The last 2 days have both been pretty terrible for any sort of strategy or trend that I'm familiar with. And obviously that's part of the game sometimes. But when you have 2 days like that in a row, potentially 3, that's where blown accounts start to happen. And obviously the goal is to not blow accounts. Yeah, just can't make our way up. But we still haven't made our way down. Still haven't really gone this bear flag or anything to play out. Plus, depending on when you got in, you probably got stopped out by these wicks. Which is why it was not a good bear flag to take. Gurav Z, hello, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Also, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please let me know. Yeah, just hugging those EMAs right now. Very, very kind of ugly. Just wicking up. Can't get past the 65 level. Oh yeah, market's so choppy. It's pretty bad. This is pretty sad. Last couple days have been not the best in general, and so far today, I mean, you can't trade this. There's no trades to even take. So at least if it just does this all day, as much as that sucks, at least I'm not going to lose any money because I'm not going to make any trades. But yesterday, I think you mentioned losing an eval, and I didn't blow up any accounts, but I didn't catch any wins either because all my trades I got trapped on a lot of them. You know, the typical, you get short, you get stopped out, and then it looks like it's going long, and then it stops you at short. Like, yesterday was a very stop hunting kind of day. Yeah, it is also. So far, I mean, we're only, what, 11 minutes into the market open. But if this keeps up, it definitely is going to give me a headache as well, for sure. Yeah, absolutely going nowhere. At least ES, I'll pull it up on the screen here. At least ES is like going up. It's still not really going anywhere, but it's going like it has a direction. But yeah, NASDAQ right now, just struggling. Another little pullback. Okay. Now we're moving. Potentially. Don't want to speak too soon. Don't want to jinx it or anything. But we are finally pushing the lows there. Now there's a candle. That is a candle right there. So far we have not had a real candle. Except we are instantly pulling back. Step up the lows. Let's see if we can hold them or not. Chop is real. Looks like ES as well. It had a big pullback. Well, big relatively, but it's nowhere near the lows. So talked about this before, but I like to see a correlation between ES and NASDAQ, because when there's not, typically not the best conditions for trading, right? If NASDAQ's making lows and ES is not, the chances of NASDAQ holding the lows not the greatest. So even though we're pushing the lows here, like, it's, to me, this is not a downtrend. It's not, oh, we're going down now, just because ES is not going down. So there's definitely got to be a little bit of correlation there. I mean, we're still like at the highs here, about to push them actually. So keep an eye on that. and kind of wait for them to kind of work themselves out here. The Dow is also going straight up, so yeah, the shorts aren't looking bad just on price action alone. But with the other stuff going on, it's hard to be confident in either direction. But that could definitely change. Yeah, the Nasdaq is making lows pretty heavily here. Finally, making some 20-point candles. Delta selling off pretty heavy too. So I definitely wouldn't be surprised if, yeah, ES is selling off a little bit now, still not at the lows. But yeah, with the sellers taking a little bit of control here, as soon as the ES catches up at the lows, well, it could be good. Could be good to go short. This blue line is yesterday's overnight high. Kind of held there for a second. Yeah, ES 1 minute chart still looking very different to Nasdaq 1 minute chart. Need ES to go down, break the lows, or we need Nasdaq to pull back up and go towards the highs. And the same thing applies for ES. Like, I typically don't trade the ES, but if I was, probably not going long on ES with the Nasdaq selling off like this. Just gotta be patient. Pulling back up towards that 90 MA. See if we build out a bear flag here. Might be worth taking. But again, still a little hard with ES chilling at the highs. But if it looks really pretty, might take it. So far though, pushing through the MA, not really slowing down. Oh, there it is. There's the rejection. Good denial, good denial.
Order submitted.
Oh, I might have missed it.
Order canceled.
Kind of risky risky move there. It is a good bear flag. We pushed 7 points really quickly, kind of missed getting in. But we are chilling there, still kind of at that yesterday's overnight high. We could just kind of bounce. Well, we are pushing. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I kind of missed the entry. Kind of moved a little too quick for me. And then it pulled back. Could have gone in a second time. But sometimes that's when I would have gone break even. And usually the second time isn't always as good as the first. But yeah, that was good. That was great. I probably should have just taken it. But I was trying to get a good entry there. And kind of missed out. Looks like it actually did not hit my target there if I would have gone in. So it's actually perfectly fine that I did not get in that. Let's see, what does this do? I guess that's kind of, this might be what I'm looking for. Maybe. Could be another bear flag here, actually. How do I get rid of this? I don't like this. Ooh, is the second attempt gonna be any better? Price is moving nicely now, though. For now, bear flag did play out nicely. Yeah, if we kind of push down past these 500s, that's gonna be kind of nice.
Order submitted.
Yeah, if we get down past the 500 area, that's kind of what we're looking for. See how it rejects here off the 9 EMA. Yeah, if we get below here, we should run these wicks. That's the idea. We are kind of making our way higher slowly. Just kind of pushing up, unfortunately. But I imagine if we make our way down to these wicks, we run them. Get back below this 9 EMA. But it's not looking like it wants to do that. It's kind of going up. Might be taking out this high. Yeah, there it
Order
is.
canceled.
All right. Could be, yeah, it could be a good long now that we're taking out that high. Kind of getting above this right here. Yeah, if we close above this fair value gap here on the 5-minute, could be going long over here. We are finally moving though. We're moving back to the range, which could not be good. But in general, we are
Order submitted.
moving, which is what we like to see.
Order filled.
All right, we are in. A little bit heavy on the risk. But it's looking like a good trade. I mean, that's why we're taking it. All right, let's see what she does on the 1 minute. Broke the high, broke the structure. Definitely looking like a good reversal. Which is why we took down the 5-minute. But we might have gotten our entry a little early there. Kind of just pulling back now. Hopefully we find some support kind of right here. It's kind of what we need here. Just gotta be patient. Hopefully it holds these EMAs and makes our way up. Holding the EMAs well here. Making our way back up to our entry. Almost. Not quite into profit yet. Also, once I get to the 64s, assuming we do, that's probably where I'll look to potentially go break even, take the risk off. But for now, we're probably just going to sit back and be patient. Could be a nice bull flag here. We are below the VWAP, but we're above the EMAs, holding them kind of nicely. If we push up there, we could definitely squeeze higher. So keep an eye on that. Pulling back here a little bit. Still holding the CMAs for now. If we can get up past the 540, 35 area, should be good to keep pushing higher here. Kind of making a bull flag of sorts. I might even try and get into this trade as well on a different account.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Now we're still kind of in this range. Maybe not the best entry, but I think we kind of hold and push out of this. Yeah, right here, get that push. I could just be chopping some more, kind of like earlier, but we're right there. We just gotta push. We had a little push there. We couldn't quite keep it up. Very short-lived. Imagine we get some more here. Just gotta break through that level, get up to the VWAP there. But we just can't get past this level. I kind of thought we were about to break through right there when we took out this high. Still might. Don't want to speak too soon, obviously. But getting pretty tight here. Getting pretty... I don't know, pretty choppy again. Definitely not what you like to see when you're in a trade. Getting very tight here. Kind of teasing both the sellers and the buyers. That's a good close. Good candle there. There it is. There's the push. Break even. Beautiful. We're gonna hold on the other one. Let's just get all the way out. Let's just get all the way up there. Lock in at 20 points. Come on, baby. That's what we've been waiting for.
Stop filled.
Well, that was short-lived. Stopped out at break even, or I guess -10, just because of freaking slippage. Kind of nasty, but well, we got that push. That's what we were looking for. That's what we were kind of expecting to happen. It just wasn't enough, and it was very short-lived. Buyers just not doing much right now. Still holding over here for the larger move. But yeah, failing to break or hold the highs there. Definitely could be pulling back a little bit. But that's okay. Hopefully that just means a higher low. And then we continue to push up. We're still getting very tight here. We broke out and now we're right back. I might be overanalyzing here. It might just be choppy chop. But eventually, in theory, it's got to break out of the chop and actually go somewhere. Could be what we're doing here. Looking like it wants to push. Just need it to hold and not get instantly rejected. Yeah, I mean, basically went up to this shop again right here, and then just boom, came right back down. Unfortunate break even on a decent trade. Looks like if we held, it would have made its way back up. But it's hard to hold those. You know, you're up $200, and when it comes right back down into the negative, I mean, to not take a break even, kind of hard not to manage the risk, avoid the loss if possible. But if it really is going to push up, then I imagine we get a better opportunity in the future, better bull flag, potentially above the VWAP, and hopefully a little bit more directional bias. Taking out the high there on that wick, see if we hold and actually keep pushing higher or not. Up 250 on this other account. Looking good. Making our way up to the VWAP. Almost to our previous target. Yes, still at the highs of the day. NASDAQ trying to make its way up there, trying to catch up a little bit. Still making our way up. Not the fastest, but not the slowest. Kind of getting past the rains from this morning. Working our way up to VWAP, just about there. VWAP staying at 560. I could reject off VWAP a bit, so I might go break even after it gets to VWAP. But I still kind of want to see it take out this high right here on the 5 minutes to go break even. Hopefully we just kind of push the highs and start going to the moon, right? That's the ideal situation here. The 5 minute candle looking really good. Big green candle. We did get just about to VWAP. Didn't quite touch it, but we're right about there. And we are pulling back here. Not too afraid of it yet. Kind of just a natural pullback to that EMA. Already kind of holding that area. Nothing to be afraid of. Right there at the EMA. Could be making a bull flag here, but also with VWAP sitting right there above that, I don't want to be going long straight into VWAP. If I'm going long down here and having it go to VWAP, but if I'm making like a trade right here at VWAP, I mean, it's just so much easier to be on the wrong side of the risk. Because it does happen to bounce VWAP a lot, or chop around VWAP. And if that's where my entry is, that's not ideal. Not the best. We're making our way back down though. Kinda bouncing the overnight low there. Almost to the T. Where's it at? It's at the 544.5. Yeah, literally right there. We basically got it exactly and bounced it. Which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty good flag here too. We push up past the 52s. Yeah, we should be kind of running this. I guess VWAP is at the top. It's not a bad. It's a small trade, but yeah, get long kind of right here. Risk about 7 points. I think that would have been the trade there. Yeah, you would have gone 7-8 points. Good bull flag. Can't speak. Good bull flag. In the VWAP though. So yeah, at VWAP a little scary right here though. Off the EMAs, very good, very nice. Kind of small, like I said, 7 points, only 140 bucks. But win's a win. Left 500 now on my other FundingTicks account. Very beautiful, very nice. Almost at that break-even spot we were talking about. Kind of getting past VWAP here. Yeah, probably just go break even. I mean, You hate to see it pull back. Won't be the first time that happens. Get an unfortunate break-even trade. We could lock in like a couple hundred. Kind of at the low of this candle. It's not bad. Get something out of this trade. Worst case. We are finally moving, finally kind of pushing. Push these highs continue to go up. We should be kind of home free until we get up to this high, which is where the target is. Another beautiful close on the 5-minute candle as well. Oh, good slap up there. Little teleportation candle. But kind of slapping back down. But kind of close to our target there. About 10 points away. Definitely don't have a problem holding this, but also not a bad idea to kind of trail our stop up, potentially lock in some good profits. Because we could lock in like 500, even like 600, and just kind of, yeah, kind of like the low of this candle, just like lock in. Could still pull back here. But we're getting close there. Might just lock this in. I could pull back though. Oh yeah, we're getting close. We're getting close. Might just lock in like 800 is pretty good. Pretty good win. If we get another little push up towards the target. Okay, pulling back a little bit. Kind of holding here a little bit. Could be pulling back. Kind of how price action works, right? Yes, still making highs. We'll leave it here for now. It's very close to the target there. Yeah, we'll lock in 800, and we'll see if we get that push up to 990. We've been locking 880.
Stop filled.
It's alright. We got close. We hate to miss by a tick. Patience, obviously, yeah, probably would have played. Would have gone the full fill there, but I like to lock those in. You know, trail the stop up, keep it up there. Lock in as much of the win as you can, because from experience, you never know when it's just gonna give up and pull back. And locking in 600 would have been nice, but yeah, if it pulled back to 600 and then went up to 900, that would have been a lot worse than just kind of like locking in 875 and missing out on the full win. So yeah, that's a good win on my funded account with FundingTicks. So yeah, hopefully we keep making some good trades on this and can get a payout. We're going to be done for sure on this account on the day. We're green and we're happy. Still going up. Yeah, I definitely would have gotten the 990 there, which of course would have been better, an extra 120 bucks, but hindsight, right? Hindsight. We are still pushing very nicely. Today could actually turn out to be a good day to trade, which is what we've been waiting for after the last 2 days of suffering. Looks like our buddy Garav Z might have left the stream a little early. He said it was giving him a headache, and it was definitely choppy and giving me a headache too. And now we're moving. Now we're looking fantastic. What a beautiful trade. That's what we like to see. Holding through this chop was definitely not the easiest. You know, watching it get pretty tight here. Definitely not the prettiest price action, but we did push out of it finally. Yeah, I got break even on this bull flag we took just because it went up and it slapped right back down. Bit unfortunate, but we held on to trade over here in the 5 minutes. Obviously, gave it a lot of wiggle room. Was risking 990. Target up at 990, somewhere up here. Yeah, like right there. And yeah, once we finally pushed out of there, made another bull flag right there. Didn't take that one just because we were kind of right next to VWAP, but played out very nicely. Kind of waiting for another bull flag potentially, continue our way higher, but we're not getting a lot of pullbacks. We're just kind of pushing our way up, which for this trade, definitely not complaining. That's what we like to see. But for any more trades on these other accounts, it's a little unfortunate, a little difficult, you could say. Oh, as I'm speaking though, we are getting a nice slap down to 9 EMA. See if we can build out a bull flag. That's what we're looking for now. ES pulling back a little bit as well, kind of making a bull flag a little bit cleaner on ES. Kind of want a little bit more of a pullback, but this is still pretty decent. Still I mean, basically at the 90 MA, even though we didn't quite touch it. Kind of making the flag there as well. Not the prettiest. It could be one that I regret taking if it doesn't work, but it still could work, in which case I won't regret it, obviously. Yes, making a beautiful flag though. Very, very nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, we're in long. Kinda tight, not the best. Hopefully just get a nice quick little push. So far we are again straight down. Now that's what we like to see though for the long. Now we just need to push, make our way all the way up. All the way. Quick push. Let's go, let's go. Got a little bit there, but not a lot. Still only up like 3-4 points. We need a little bit more here to go break even or anything. There we go, break even. We'll lock in like 150. Hopefully we just push up there though. Trailer stop.
Stop filled.
Not a bad thing to do. Again, if it pulls back like that, still might miss out on the full win. But 240, not bad. Still a good little win. Still might take another one though to try and make back our losses from yesterday. Yeah, kind of hold in there. Not a bad trail. Because we could pull back here down to break even, or potentially just like smaller amounts of money, of course. Be a better flag setup here. We'll probably wait for it to pull back more to the 90 MA though. We have Battlefield open in the background. We're just kind of not in the game yet, just messing with some of the settings. So you guys don't need to see that. And don't worry, you're not missing out. American. Yeah. Just customizing my soldier. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, this is nice, right, chat? Get the aviators. I mean, he's looking good. We did get a nice pullback though. This could be quite nice. Keep an eye on this.
Order filled.
There we go. We're in 2 contracts. It's a small trade, so even with 2 contracts, it's only 290. Again, hopefully we just push up there, hit our target, get a good win. Flags definitely like, I mean, obviously yesterday didn't play out at all. Even today, they're just not playing out very quickly. I mean, typically you get like a break and then you push to the target. But man, it's kind of toying with the emotions a little bit, pulling back down there a little bit, getting close to our stop. We are pushing now though, nicely.
Target filled.
There we go, target filled, up $500 on the day. Absolutely beautiful. We got the aviators on. We're chilling, we're happy. Life is good. I'm checking out my other soldiers. Oh, I was gonna say I don't know if I want to be Japanese, but look at Japanese. Look at this. This is sick. Oh, this guy looks sick too. He's got the samurai swords. All right, we do have one more account. Take profit trader account. We'll try and take some trades on. So we're still keeping our eye on it, but we're mostly chilling, kind of. Not gonna worry too much about trading anymore. Oh, car 98. That's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Beautiful gun right there. I don't have anything unlocked in this game. Battlefield 5, haven't played it much at all. It's just not the superior Battlefield compared to Battlefield 1. But it is very beautiful. It's very cool. The idea of it. Oh yeah, a lot of these guys look kind of sick. Oh, these guys are kind of boring. This guy does not... I'm not trying to be racist, but he doesn't look Japanese to me. I guess he's the facial hair kind of, but what do I know? This guy's... There's no way, right? No, this must be... I must have some like special legendary skins or something. I have the definitive edition, whatever that means. Must be it. Because yeah, both these guys are looking sick. We'll probably stick with this one for sniping. Let's see if we have any. I guess that's probably the best American. Got a lot of options. This guy's kind of cool, but like not for me. Oh yeah, this is the only one that's really standing out to me. So do I customize every? I guess so. The UK, what do we got here? We don't have any. Oh, they're like the same. Same as the American. It's German like. German is also the same. That's why, okay. So it's just like bad guys versus good guys. Or Allied versus Axis for World War II. That makes sense. guess for German, we could stick to a more German-looking guy. It's looking kind of bad. I don't know how it's gonna look on the on the battlefield, but I guess we'll just do that. Yeah, we'll use this one for the medic. I don't even know if I'm gonna play the other classes too much. Maybe assault. I don't know, better than the default skins, I guess. No, yeah, I don't care too much. I'm just gonna leave this guy. He looks pretty British, right? What do I know? Definitely not gonna. No, yeah, we gotta get a black guy in here. That looks, yeah, we like that. Alright. Yeah, as you can see, I've barely played this game at all. I like the music though. Armory, what's this? Bundles, weapons. Oh, this must be like a shop, right? Something. Yeah, it's kind of dead right now, kind of chopping, getting tight. Could still play out, kind of bull flag-ish. But also could kind of break down here, yeah. Not sure how much it'll go, but it might go. Oh, yeah, so I got some cool skins. This one's pretty cool. Yeah. If I had money, I might waste them on stuff like this, but see, these skins look good. Unlike Call of Duty, Beavis and Butthead. That's ridiculous. Like, who would add that to a military game? Let's play. Let's I'm not sure the difference between tactical and strategic conquest is. I guess, is there like, yeah, some servers we can look at? Make sure our ping is good. Looks like we already found a game. Don't have any high expectations. I might be good at Battlefield 1, but I don't know the maps of the guns for this game. But I figured I'd switch things up a little bit. Could be playing out the flag here. Yeah, for those of you just tuning in, missed I took this bull flag and this bull flag. Got 250 here and 290 there, of $500 on that account.
The fight. Keep it that way.
And then on the 5 minute, took a big trade down here. Got a nice 43, 44 points up there to here to there. So very nice. Cannot complain with that.
objectives.
I have to mess with some of my settings here.
Objective Able is now
Make
under
sure
our
we're.
control.
Does this sound a little loud? It feels a little loud. We're on low settings? I mean, that might be better for seeing, but imagine if we stick it high, that'll... Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but it's like... I'm getting like 5 FPS. Oh, that's a little better. Maybe I'm just... Oh, we did break out that flag there. Nice. Almost thought about taking it, but... Let's see, I might need to change some settings. Still... I turn off DX12. I know it like technically should help, but also need to restart the game. We will restart the game if we're having any issues. See, we're still like, this is pretty choppy, but then it kind of clears up.
Watch out over here.
Oh, that's our tank.
Danger lies ahead.
See that guy. Still a little laggy, throwing me off. I'm gonna restart the game. Don't mind me. Back to the charts. Pulling back here. Is that not even again? We're not really going anywhere, but we are making like just little bull flags kind of over and over again, like bull flag here, push, bull flag here, push. Bit of a choppy bull flag, then we push. And then again we're kind of making one kind of right here as well. Yeah, we break that high, we could very well.
Order submitted.
Another bull flag. I mean, imagine eventually they can't all work out. So far, we have 2 or 3 that have worked out pretty nicely. But I mean, got an eval here. We'll take it. Get up there past the 610. If not, though, we're chilling. Oh, breaking out low there. Still could hold and push higher. Let's see what we do here. But hey, if we just take out these lows, that's fine too. I mean, do your thing, right? Do your thing, NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
That's right. No, we're still kind of holding there at the 21 EMA. Could still could work out here pretty nicely. Pretty nice. Probably wait for it to get above that 90 EMA though if we are going to take it still. But we are pulling back. We take out the low in the 1 minute. No longer interested. Ooh, big slap. Taking out all these lows here. I was gonna say, we might be up here in the 5 minute, like, which is very bullish, but the way all these wicks were right here, it's kind of like a bear flag, even though it's not a bear flag. It's still, it likes to push and clean up wicks, typically, which is what we did. Keep our eye out for some good opportunity as always, but kind of done trading on the day. We got some great wins on our 2 important accounts, the 2 funded ones. So that's fantastic. Let's play some games for a little bit. Again, I don't know what the difference between strategic and tactical conquest is. If anyone knows, feel free to share. Yeah, I guess we'll just we'll search, make sure we get a good ping. This looks fun. Dice. Oh, BOB, I know. Oh, there's no players. I was gonna say, I know that they have Battlefield. Let me get some filters. Region, North America. Toggle all. 3 slots. Do that. Conquest. Maybe breakthrough. Oh, there's only 2. Am I just too picky? What's going on? Maybe so. Oh well. Play the server. Also, is the music too loud? It feels a little loud. Also, don't know how it is on stream. Oh, what a beautiful map. I'm not even in it yet. I can already tell.
We are in control of the battle. Defend the objectives we control.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, looks like restarting our game, change that setting is exactly.
Danger lies over there.
Oh, I almost thought that was gonna hit.
Careful for that tank.
Oh yeah.
There's trouble here.
Oh. Airplane. Kind of a bear flag here, but we're not really. Oh, I guess it's kind of playing us. Could be playing out here. Not really the most bearish yet. We're still sitting here at the highs, bouncing off this 5-minute fair value gap. And we took out the lows here, but we're not really going lower yet too much. Probably gonna need a little bit more personally. That's a cool spawn system. We got a teammate with a mouth. Just kidding. Oh, we're taking some heat.
Objective dog is under attack.
Man, it might take me a sec to figure out the flow of these maps. Oh, that's a vehicle. I'm like, what is that? Got someone. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Need to be careful there.
Ah, I could not escape. Teammate's right there. I couldn't even kill him. Couldn't save me. What's going on? I can't believe it.
Help!
There is an enemy presence at objective dog.
Oh, I do have a medic on near me. Let's go.
Please.
Oh shoot, how do I... Well, guess the no-scoping is not that effective. Oh, I just got unlucky.
Help me! Anybody?
Enemy forces are taking
Please.
objective dog.
Kind of some cool animations. Oh, looks like that bear flag did not play out. Whoever was in that probably got stopped out. But now it's playing out if you had your stop a little higher. The squad spawn feature is kind of cool. Oh. Oh, nice. Cheeky headshot. Not in a good spot here for sniping.
Booger!
Yeah, we're just right on the point.
We lost objective Charlie.
Kind of hard to see people in this game too.
Watch out over here!
At least if you're not used to it. So I don't
The
know
enemy has
what's
taken control of the battle.
controls. There we go. Okay, so that's what my push to talk is. Not that I'm gonna really need that, I don't think. What am I looking for? I'm looking for melee. How do I hit people?
Objective Able is under enemy control.
Actually, no, we'll change that
Charlie has been secured.
in case I need it, but just make sure I can hit people. Could come in handy. Okay, we're losing some objectives. Kinda, I'm just appreciating the beauty of this map. Like, look at this, these leaves. Aren't these leaves great? The game might not be the best compared to Battlefield 1,
Capture the objective here.
but it looks amazing. I'm not even on the max settings. because I'm streaming and
I see an
care
enemy tank.
a little bit about performance.
Careful over there.
I'm really a fan of the pinging system in
Danger lies ahead.
the newer games. Cause I kind of like peek through the leaves here.
Need to be careful there.
Oh, I pulled a little bit. What kind of skin is that? Oh, we got a storm coming in. Make the game even more beautiful in a different way. Oh, yeah, the ping system though, like it's nice that I can like be like, hey, look over there. But I don't know how to like. Is there a different button for spotting? 'Cause I'm just trying to like spot some people for my team.
Danger lies over there.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to spot. Okay, we got him. That's all that matters. I definitely got spotted or noticed though. Oh, the game's almost over.
We have taken objective Able.
We need help at D.
Gotta keep an eye on that tank.
If we hold D, we could win this. As long as we don't have too many people die.
We need support now. Your request is approved, soldier. We are not where we need to be. Pick it up.
Watch out over here.
Okay. So I can spot with that. If I use that scope. Oh, I almost got revived. We are losing B though.
The enemy has taken objective Baker.
Oh no. Holding it. Oh, good snipe there. I'm out in the open. Oh, it's gonna be close. Yeah, we might not be able to.
We have established control at objective Easy.
Change some medic, be a little more aggressive.
We've secured objective Baker.
Here, bandages.
Shoot. We're probably gonna lose this just because we can't. Oh no, it's close. We got a lot of points. It's kind of just who kills the most people. 7 to 10, 7 to 9, 7 to 8. Oh, this is one of the closest games I've ever been a part of. Holy cow! 6 and 5, 5 and 4, 5 and 3, 4 and oh. No way. What a crazy win. 4 respawns remaining. That is wild. That's freaking crazy. What a game. I didn't do much. I got in late. That's good. That is funny. I don't want to snipe, but I'm gonna play aggressive. I'm gonna get in there and actually. I feel like that's a little easier to kind of grasp in a new game. You just get in, get on the points, you know, shoot people, keep people alive, revive your teammates and everything. A little easier to be a part of and make stuff happen, even if you don't know the map as a medic. But if I'm a recon, I really gotta know, like, I gotta know the map. I gotta know, you know, the spawn points a little bit on the points. I need to know, like, the sight lines, you know, good spots to kind of watch over certain points. So
Soldiers, capture and hold as many objectives as you can.
get in, boys. Yeah, let's go, let's go. We got the squad. This tank's a little slow. Oh boy.
The enemies have enough objectives to sway this fight. Take the objectives immediately.
We're already taking shots. Oh. It is, but I'm streaming, so. Is he the only? He's the only one in my squad.
Objective easy is ours.
Oh, I'm dead. Need to get a feel for these guns still. Guy there. I'm not sure if I can spot.
Enemy soldier eliminated.
I can like mark an area, but it's not like marking the people. That's kind of cool with the blood on my gun after I got shot. That's cool. Again, attention to detail. Also, I'm gonna turn down the music a lot. So I don't know what my sensitivity is. What's that? Controls. 16. That might be right. I might have changed it previously because it doesn't feel bad. It feels good. But yeah, that guy, he spotted. How do I do that? I might be missing something. Key bindings. Soldier. Scoreboard. Just thought that might be an enemy. Would be kind of funny. What am I missing here? Danger ping, toggle, commo, rose, hold. Yeah, it doesn't sound like what I want. It's what I'm looking for. What is the... Oh, that's a person. This gun sucks at range, but... I need what he has. Oh, what happened to this game? It's dead. It's only 17 people. I want a full game. I'm not here for the 17 versus 7. Nah, 32 versus 32. That's what I'm here for. I know this game might be kind of dead. Well, we do got like, some good maps kind of on the horizon, though. Tell me there's no games. North America. Am I too picky here? Okay, we'll take off these maps, any key modes, any. We just want North America. Dang, that's all we got. Well, guess we'll play this one. 55 people. Market's still just kind of chopping around here at the highs. Not really going anywhere. Kind of had a bull flag here play out a little bit, but then it came just right back down. So, back on this map. This is a good map. Beautiful. I guess we got some other options here. I'm not sure.
In control of the battle.
So we got the grease gun, jungle carbine, bolt action. So yeah, we might want something with a little more kind of range, accuracy, damage. But we still want a decent fire rate. Ooh, less damage, but more control. Rate of fire is higher too. I feel like the MP40 is a good gun, right?
Secure the objectives and defend them from enemy attacks.
It's got a good hip fire. Okay, this map.
Lost our control at Charlie.
Tank gunner seats. This will be fun, right? It's a lot better than the gun I have. Uh-oh. Alright, we'll get back in.
We now have control of objective easy. Let's not lose it to the enemy.
Look over there.
We now have control of objective George.
Oh, I almost got him. I am gonna look up how to spot in Battlefield 5. Probably a dumb question. Oh. It doesn't exist anymore. That makes sense. I couldn't do it. It's a little unfortunate though. That might be, well, again, one of the reasons why this game, compared to the others, is not as popular.
The enemy is attacking objective easy. We have control in objective box.
Oh, I could be the top gunner. A little more vulnerable, but I can see all the way around me. How are we supposed to cross this bridge? Yeah, I didn't think that was going to go very well.
Our control of objective easy.
Okay, apparently the recon spotter glass, or whatever it's called, that thing I had earlier, that's how you spot people, which makes sense. But it is a bit unfortunate that not everyone can do it. Keep my head on a swivel here, I don't want to die. Yeah. Well, at least our tank won. Oh, the Max here, he's got me. Let's go. Yes, let's go, let's go. Back in the tank.
Keep this pace up. We're in a good position.
I guess that's why you might want to stay in this seat. Potentially.
We have secured objective George.
There's someone in these bushes, I think. It is hard to see. Oh yeah, that's a tank. I can't mess with that. Unless I just throw a grenade.
Bandages for you.
Dang it, so close to getting a kill. I guess this counts as kill. But I want the kill all to myself. Also kind of want to try flying. Enemy shooting from over here.
Keep me careful there.
There we go.
Objective easy has been secured.
Nasdaq's still not going anywhere.
Objective Baker.
But oh, I'm way too far away to hit
Danger
this
lies
guy.
ahead.
Use that bush for cover.
Objective Fox is under enemy control.
Oh, we need to go to F. Take these guys out. This is a smoke grenade. Yeah.
Together now. Take the objective.
He knows. He knows I'm here. I'm out.
Shit!
Can't one of you want a tank? I'm all out of smokes too. I think he can see me.
Danger lies ahead.
I want to push up a little bit so I can be more effective.
The enemy has control of objective easy.
Bro, the recoil on this is a B word. Holy. Alright, what gun is better than this?
Help me!
Help.
Somebody! Please!
We have lost control of objective George.
Help! I'm not supposed to go out like this.
Alright, let's see.
Secured objective Baker.
I guess what else do we got? This could be useful. A Panzerfaust.
Fox has been secured.
Or a bazooka.
Objective Able is secure.
This could be very useful. Oh, dynamite. I do like medic. I'm not sure what gun I want though. I don't know. The Sten. I know that's good in a different Call of Duty, or a different Call of Duty game I played.
We have lost objective Fox. Attention, objective Charlie is no longer under our control.
So I could go for a carbine. Give me a little bit of range. We'll try the Sten. Could give us a little bit more. Recoil is still pretty high. Not gonna be the best at range.
We must take that objective. Bandages! Take them!
Don't skip, don't skip.
Looks like you're
Right
okay.
here. Nice.
Here's some first aid.
Attention, objective Easy is now under our control.
Here, take these.
Doing my job as a medic. I feel like we're about to win this game too. Hey, look at this water. Makes me want to go on vacation.
The enemy doesn't have much left in them.
tank.
We have control at objective Charlie.
Good thing I was here.
Seemed to not put up much of a fight.
Here, take these.
Much of a fight. What is this?
Filling your gear request now. We've lost our hold of objective box.
Is tank empty? It is. It's a kind of a cool looking tank. That almost hit me with some anti-tank thing. (14-1). Not bad, not great. Still haven't found a game with a full 32 versus 32. Back to this map? Is it like a rotation or something? Don't know if I want to play this. I think it's infantry based. I want to try flying, but I don't know if there's enough servers. Enough, like, I don't know, opportunity to fly. Here's this one. I've seen videos of this map. It's a bigger one, I think. Yeah, it's got some planes. And it's like finally pushing a little bit. Kind of this big 5 minutes. Full flag. Alright, no planes available. Maybe we'll try sniping a little bit on this bridge. Fun.
Capture the objectives and maintain control of them for as long as possible. We can win this battle. Keep it up.
Oh, I got wrecked. No medics around. $60 US for the day. That's not bad. Not too bad. Profit is profit, right?
Give my squad some support ASAP. Airstrike inbound, soldier. Be ready. Roger, soldier. Request support.
Watch out over there.
Can I go up here? Oh, come on. Let me up,
Box is no longer
please.
under our control.
Oh, that's lame. Oh, the game's almost over. Almost died there.
Look over there.
This could be a big map. Is there no planes? What's going on? Oh, maybe. Oh, looks like we got one.
Capture and hold as many objectives in the area as possible.
I've never flown before on this game, so this will be interesting. Oh, already out of bounds. We got the plane on us already. Go back to spawn. Get a little protection. I think.
The enemy has taken control of the battle.
So these are air to air, and then these are oh, it's a flat gun. Man, of course someone's just chilling in one of those. Still learning to fly. So I gotta stay away from those.
Secured.
Help will come.
So I gotta stay away from C. So 4 is my bombs.
The enemy has taken objective dog.
Dang, we're already just... That thing's hitting me from so far away too. Down to 30 HP. Okay, I can still move my repair, that's nice. I just gotta stay alive, that's priority number 1 here. Oh, I need to go get ammo. I'm already getting hit. I'm in my spawn, bro. How does this work?
Turn around immediately, soldier.
What the fly like?
We've lost control of objective easy. Objective Charlie has been secured.
Oh, we can help. We can help this guy. I've heard about how ridiculous these dogfights are.
You're leaving the combat zone.
I don't really want to play this game with him. I just want to stay alive and get some kills, but I don't know what I'm doing. Controls are also a little different.
You must return to the combat zone.
I really want to like try and bomb this guy here. I don't think that hit.
We have lost our hold of objective Charlie. Return to the fight immediately.
I don't know where that gun is, but it literally is hitting me across the map. It's somewhere over here.
We've taken control of objective Able.
Yeah, I can't afford to take that damage.
The enemy has control of objective Dog.
I need something to shoot at. Of course. There's just too much. There's too much like stuff to keep the plane up. Obviously, I'm just not good, but I need to figure that out. I want to fly around to get some kills, but so far it seems to be pretty ineffective.
Hold and defend this objective.
I spawned in and this guy's already shooting me. Has he been sitting in that the whole game?
Objective Easy is under our control.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. Like,
You must not leave the combat area. Don't leave your fellow soldiers.
So you're used to
We have lost our
these
hold of
controls and
objective easy.
everything. I swear, I can't get out of spawn without getting shot at. Got 2 HP. Oh, I can't turn as fast if I'm healing. Looks like I got the heal off though. I can't move, I'm like stuck in the air. Oh, this game's not fun. It's not fun. Can't even like get any practice and figure it out because I can't leave past A without getting shot at. Try again, but dang, this is freaking ridiculous. Like there's nothing to shoot at besides this guy, and bullets don't do damage unless I hit him. The plane's already on me. Oh, maybe not, but oh my gosh, nope, here it is. I don't know how to avoid these planes. He's just spawn killing me. Oh my gosh, this is just, it's embarrassing. Because I don't know what I'm doing, but I can't even figure it out. Yeah, this guy's 18-0 on the other team. It's so hard to hit people. This plane's gonna be on me any second now. So I could try and oh, I got him. There's probably another one though. That's probably not. But they have A. They have every single point. So I can't leave spawn without taking damage. Oh my goodness gracious. Need more heals. I feel like those guns should be pretty good. But so far they're not. Okay, these ones better? They're taking out ground units. Enemy planes are up. Oh, that's a big slap. Without the spotting as well, I don't know how I'm supposed to... I don't know who I'm supposed to shoot. I'll try going for some bombs, but... Oh, I hit someone 75. Got back up my teammate. Yo, this plane, what is he on? Did you see how many times I shot him? Yo, am I going crazy? I shot that guy a million times. There's no way he lived. That's wild. Well, still no kills. I think we're getting better, right? Surely. Oh, I see this guy. Did some damage. It says there's people here. I don't know how it does the smoke thing, but these planes have so much health. I swear I just die every time I get in the sky. So not really sure, like... Oh, I've got quick fixes? Is that what that is? No wonder I'm dying. Might just be one quick fix. Maybe that's how the guy lives so long. Hey, the more you know, right? Alright, I need something to shoot. Something to shoot at. Oh, who knew? Tank can insta-kill you. That was so quick. I don't know how you're supposed to get kills. Like I'm shooting people. Was it not flat gun? Oh, chat, you gotta help me out here. starting to see why this game is not as good as the others. I've seen some cool videos of guys flying, kind of popping off. Maybe they're not playing Conquest, and maybe, I don't know. Clearly, I'm missing a couple things, a little bit of strategy and everything, but good the guy on their team's got like 22 kills. I'm hitting something. Just gotta dodge, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can just quick fix.
Airstrike inbound, soldier. Be ready.
You should know that. Like, I can just keep preparing myself. Yeah. Teammate's kind of helping me out here. This guy's still on me though. It's kind of lame. I don't know, like playing combat's just so bad in this game. Hit the vehicle. I don't know how I'm supposed to get kills though. I can't see people at all. Also, these guns are terrible. Like, they don't do enough damage to ground units. I really want to try that again, but it's so frustrating. Nasdaq's finally moving, pushing up here. This server's bugging, I think. Could be crashing. Wait. I don't want... Why is that a thing? I don't want to quit with my squad, bro. Who wants to do that? I don't even know you. Just let me leave. Why is that a button? I just want to quit. Oh my goodness, so many options. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Market finally pushing out his shop, but now it's kind of not really going anywhere. Might be kind of dead for the day. We had some decent movement there for a little bit. On the, as you see on the 5-minute. Once we kind of swept the lows there, we finally pushed up, caught a good trade here. A couple other trades here with these pullbacks and these bull flags. But then we kind of just stalled out at the highs here, and we've been chopping ever since. Kind of a big slappy candle, made our way up, but now we're kind of just chilling up there for now. Could still be moving here, but it is almost 10 o'clock my time, 12 o'clock Eastern. So about that lunchtime, which probably pretty likely to be pretty chill, pretty mellow for the next little while. Kind of pushing the highs there again though, so we could still be moving. Could be some opportunities to make some money still.
Soldiers has fallen. We've lost objective dog. We are in control of the battle. Defend the objectives we control.
So playing a little Battlefield 5 just to switch things up. Definitely not as enjoyable as Battlefield 1. Just feels a little unrefined. Some of the gameplay elements and everything. Doesn't feel quite like a Battlefield game or how a Battlefield game should feel.
We've established control at objective Baker.
But it's very beautiful. I mean, the maps, the graphics. There's a lot of little things that are like really kind of cool, kind of nice. I want to try flying. I don't. I can customize. That's fine, I don't need to. I don't know if I have the best weapons unlocked for the planes in this game though. I was looking, there's a couple other ones I don't have unlocked that are a bit better. Oh, I just missed it. I'm learning how to take advantage of the planes here. But yeah, the guns I got on mine are pretty... I feel kind of weak just against ground units. Relatively speaking. Yeah, I just watched a little video. I do not have
We've taken objective George.
the right guns. I don't think we have any planes in the air. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I get spawn killed or not. That's what's happened the other game.
Objectives and maintain control of them for as long as possible.
I just couldn't get the right momentum. Couldn't really figure out where the people were. Oh yeah, we're already getting spawn killed. Luckily, I can just come here. As long as I stay alive for a little bit. I can do the emergency repairs, which is kind of lame, but I mean, I won't die. And if he knows that, he'll probably leave me alone. Oh, that tree almost ended me. Alright. Teammate kept us alive. Nice.
You're leaving the combat zone. Dog has been secured.
These maps feel too small to fly as well. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Probably am. I'm not going to claim that I know what I'm doing. Make sure we have all our repairs good to go.
The enemy has taken objective George.
We won't waste it. The problem is people can't spot in this game.
Keep up the pace and maintain control.
Oh, yep. This guy's on us. Emergency repair. Whoa, what hit me? Did he hit me with a missile? He like wasn't even hitting me with his guns, and then all of a sudden I took like 50 damage at once. Yeah, I don't know what to do with these planes. Cause even like now, it's like I don't know where the enemies are.
We lost objective Fox.
And like I said, the guns that I got, they're pretty ineffective when you shoot the ground. And I can bomb if I know where the people are to bomb. Try again. Make sure I'm not doing something wrong. Try and stay by my spawn that next time. Since if you leave my spawn, I just get insta-killed. I want to give it a chance. Oh, I think I missed it. Yeah. I think we only have 2 planes, so I should be able to get one still.
The enemy has taken the advantage in this battle.
Yeah, there we go. Like, these guns should be kind of effective. Right here. But so far, every time I've strafed over infantry, it's not really done a lot of damage. Am I stalling? Why can't I move?
We now have control of
Jeez,
objective
that
E.
was
Let's not lose it to the enemy.
kind of annoying. Like, I don't know if there's people there. There's a little red light flashing. But... got flak gun shooting already. This thing's got crazy range too. Yeah, I'll just try and... like, these should be pretty good. Like, they've got a pretty good little splash. Some more bombs and ammo.
Objective easy is no longer secure.
I'll just try and go for some bombs here. Again, I need something to shoot. Holy crap. We're taking so much heat. I don't even know from what.
We have control with objective easy.
They're not missing. Alright, we got the quick repair.
Turn around immediately, soldier.
Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know.
We have taken objective dog.
What I'm doing wrong, but jeez, I swear I can't catch a break. There's something there, but like I'm not getting any hit markers. I can't hit them. What am I doing?
We have lost control of objective George.
Drop some bombs on a vehicle. Vehicle hit, that's nice, but like,
Objective Fox is secure.
I want to get kills. I don't want to damage vehicles. What am I missing? It's so hard to see. Already down to 40 HP. It's gotta be a plane, right? Oh, he ran into me. I think he crashed though.
We no longer have charge at objective easy.
Come on, another emergency fix. My wing's still freaking gone though. It looks good. I mean, it's kind of a cool detail.
Return to the fight immediately.
Alright, we need another quick fix. Those things are necessary to stay alive in this game. Oh my gosh! What did he hit me with? My plane never does that much damage to another one. Holy cow. Clearly I'm doing something wrong. This guy's 15-0. It's the same guy from the other game I was playing. So clearly he's doing something right. He's not dying. He's getting lots of kills. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I can't see people on the ground. Besides the vehicles.
We have charge of objective
Air
easy.
combat sucks. And even when I do it, I just don't do enough damage.
We have taken control of objective George.
Gosh, that's annoying. Trying to dodge as well, but he's got smokes as well. I'm sure that's something useful. But yeah, he's like in our spawn, enemy spawn, getting kills. 17-0. At least I think that's him, unless this other guy's the one. This guy, 11-4, maybe he's the one in our spawn. Like, I'm afraid to go over there.
We've taken control of objective Able.
Because I know I'm just going to get shot out of the sky. I'm spotted. Good to know.
We've lost control of objective Dog.
I can literally see a guy there. I know my aim's not perfect. Oh, the guy's on me. Guess I just gotta do circles, right? What? How does he do that much damage? Like, he like turns sharper than me, and he does so much damage. I can't even get away. Man, what am I doing wrong here?
We lost objective Able. They are nearly beaten.
Be nice if I didn't have to try hard on the other team. 20-0. Like, I just want to figure out how to freaking fly.
Box has been secured.
Oh my gosh. If I need to hit him with this gun.
We have secured control of objective dog. Objective Able is secure.
Oh, like I just can't.
We have lost objective box.
I get ammo from their base as well. Like I can't escape. I can't get away. Now I'm on fire. This guy's too good. Both of them. I have two pilots who've barely died yet. One of them hasn't. I can't even figure the game out. I shoot him and it does like 20 damage. Somehow they get me to 0
We have lost our hold on
seconds. Also, I swear I'm shooting the guys on the ground. I'm shooting them. Man, I clearly can't figure this out. Or maybe it's just not. I'm not able to figure it out. Well, that's all Battlefield 5 I can handle. I was hoping to do a little flying, have a little fun, but can't get away from these sweats. You go 20, 25 and 0. I just want to figure it out. Not really sure how to. Yeah, I might just have the wrong gun, like wrong plane as well even. Seems like there's a bunch of different kinds. Bombers. Market's pulling back down now. Sellers kind of coming in, getting a little heavier. But it is about that time for me. Call it a day. Get out of here. Market's really selling off now. Like I said, it might be about that time for me to head out, go eat some lunch. But those of you who tuned in, appreciate it. Feel free to leave a like if you enjoyed it. No pressure though. I'm not gonna force you, make you feel bad if you don't. If you're new, subscribe for more. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, good day today. It's good wins on my 2 funded accounts. Wasn't able to find any more trades though towards the end of the day. Just nothing really stood out to me, so didn't take any trades on my Take Profit Trader account. But still a good day. Definitely a lot better than yesterday. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.